ade a mehwe ne mu se besie ne obi ani na so se besie ene se me se yehu MP na me MP na me bedi ne de bede me hu me se me de me hu abafore se me beso.
Fantastic. Yema befonyina akwaba edeba kwayom television sania yedinkan ekachire mono yese sania aka enano eduesia ensia na omangane nyina yeko akono na fe kokromoti power yeko akoche nia owose odiade na yewo akamemu de. It happens to be say a red white blue nana adodankwa ekufuado eye nia ono Ajepenie ajiatumum mfie 9 yechi say one fanomra say the president of the Republic of Ghana na eye no eno ehom pentin kwa na yetia kwayem television ya boapini na ya dosuko ene ye ni opanyini kese pa na oko the New Patriotic Party NPP munso a odi akotene papa na December 7th no eyade a amanfo ene adesia ewo nananom atenankonwa asase Formula constituency ekwa akoto so aba ede no aba as a member of parliament chese bibia enka ho nemum ene no yebusa no ensem bako mienu bi na yahwe botaye eni suade hunu ene sebimpreduasa yedi ahodo a wode ebre ne manfo na empanyene si kakum yagine kokoanum mebisa ne din nyina na ahotadini bi wo ho a ode asoso papa memo wakwaba
ya ade na usi na what say
ye ho ye pa mompai bonti na udina nkasa de sen
you are son medical no mami nche wahwefo ne wetifo wi bre man di train me from rampasuasofo midin ankasa a me maame ne me papa de wo me fe me kwabranfori na santini bia me kan se wudin mienu udin mienu ne se kwabranfori ne yefie din na oku school nyame wadom na wawofo ye wadom ne de oku school dia na ma obrofo dia ka ho eno ne Philip Asante echi na me amri ofori ne baka ne Philip ofra Asante Philip ofra Asante ne yetwa ne tia ne pufa
okay
anti dia trend pass say we dance mpesu aso de ne pufa anu bieka
ensem ne de edoso yewo politics hour anase politics season na ehin na wo free ena wodi ebewura amanwe semu na wo ye den oman ben na wo koso na adwuma ben titru ena na wo ye before politics
yo said obisa no me dance ni ba prekope obisa so we dance kro ben so minchipa e abadwum abadwum ye takwa ko amani abadwum ene minchi se me na me se me ne takwane kwa amani obi onim mpaninsam de okan so ye takwane kwa amani a yin baby ofri ba na me na nanom tu betra famana adanse famana na me nkwara bremu no biko me ye wo me famana me ko school kakra famana na me ko me siku tutri na odompo ase demonstration GSS me yes na me ko odompo ase school odompo school happens with the best secondary school in Ghana. To be called DOS. Me na me call Boampon Secondary School. Before na me call University of Ghana. From University of Ghana no, me 1991. Me no, me adwuma kakra o National Service Secretariat. And I me enter law school. Na me passion say me person me lawyer. You read law school na be boso me nsa na backlist for farming. And unfortunately, I won't push to me cook myself. Now say me free backlist I just major back to segment on as a transfer come law school. My name Penfoot didn't come on as a food nipper, we see only penny with fear due. Penfoot to me for say, a human hoarding. When you be a connect with your lord, ye, which man and baby up so ye be and into me call Barclays Bank at room. Me Barclays Bank 1994 as a junior clerk. I mean, a human for 4 years. And I transfer free Kumasi called Avenue Central, our cry. Me the Avenue Central, boss me by and crow, and they transfer me call. Me have a first promotion. Now, first promotion there, unprecedented mood. Bruni say unprecedented. He promoted me from junior clerk to assistant manager, as they will call in the local banks. And me free, me also for about 12 months. And I am promoted me be a credit manager of Barclays Bank. Me also for some 18 months. And a bank, and so do me back, baby, I'm here saying some as a regional manager. Now, me set up the Kumasi Business Center of the corporate and the business banking platform. Maybe no be setting up. It took me about 9 months to complete the project. Me, and a bank decided to go back to Accra. Say, Minko head the multinational desk. Minko head the multinational in the large corporate team. Me head for about 6 months, and a bank say, Minya into one Minko director of business banking, and I make director of business banking. Until around about 2006, May June, and Al-Hassan Andani of Stanbic Bank, appointing as the managing director of Stanbic Bank. Large in Sweden, I need to say, me papa prekope me nua no me papa no. And oba no se feel me person me no call Stanbic Bank ko adwuma. And I'm joining back Stanbic Bank as director of corporate banking. To be director of business banking for about 3 years. In my 4th year, the then director of corporate and investment banking, Echo Access Bank as the managing director, let me take you over as the director for corporate and investment banking of Stanbic Bank. Me for 2 years till about 2010, and I'm a core merchant bank as general manager in charge of wholesale banking. Me as general manager in charge of corporate banking, but me core and we reconfigure the business to make it more bespoke to the needs of the times. We reconfigured it to wholesale banking. Me and for just about 6 months, we had issues between myself, the top 3 of the bank. You had an issue with the board, and through that, I had to leave the bank. And you see me when I say, for the 6 months that you do a bank, we managed to transform Merchant Bank from a loss position into a positive position of about 40 million Ghana cedis. Asana me free. We did so much. Now, it's interesting to know, say, if you honor 40 million positive Nija honor, almost it turned down to about 6 million. So the end of the year, about 6 million Ghana cedis. Anyway, so, but me free Merchant Bank, just about 2 weeks after, and I'm joining Intercontinental Bank as a general manager. It me for just about 2 years, to about 2012, and Access Bank, the tall Intercontinental Bank. So they actually made me a general manager of Access Bank. But nesi mi jaina mi ankasa mi say meet me my businesses, and so I mi jai juma. And I'm sure.
Yene opinion kɛseɛ a ɛnɛ yi no kyɛ sɛ ɔno nso agyeatom sɛ yɛmfa ne nkɔ mmarahyɛ badwam ɛwɔ ɛyɛ nkrampɛsua so ɛwɔ NPP mekyerɛ the New Patriotic Party mu ɛwɔ Fomena constituency announce sɛ adanse mɛmo deɛ wagye natom na mmom mpanyine sei ɛnam dua so ɛna ahoma ɛhu no soro ɛyɛ Fountains of Christian Power Ministry pokuase enkran ene ne mpotemo de eho ene obia eko yedi mpaye adware mpaye na de abebom kura ne se eneyi no yenuanom nkramfo ɛsoa mayafi ɛde bi gu wɔn kom kita buta ɛwurawura mfikyire ɛba onyankopɔn sɔfoɔ ne diifoɔ baako pa ne yi wɔde ne ngosra ama no prophet Echampon Asumedu ɛhɔ ɛna yɛkɔ ukuada bia na ɔtena se nso ɛwɔ Kumasi ɛyɛ kwada so agrek nwamase benada bia efiti anopa na ngochi ekosi sɛ nondumienu ɛbɛbɔ na ɔgye nyame ma ɛde wɔn akɔ ɔsoro ahemɛmo sɛnea medi nka kan yɛ no yɛne Mr. Philip Ofori Asante a dodoɔ na nim sɛ yɛfrɛ no ɛyɛ Pofa na yɛsa akɔ ne nkyɛn biam sisie no yɛduru bra ɔno ankasa establish noa ne dwuma na ɔbɛkyerɛ adwuma no na afei yɛwura mu wɔ ɛyɛ politics na nkasa mpempenso a ɔhyɛ aseɛ ɛne baabi a ɔde no aba abɛduri ɛyɛ Kwayam Television yɛwɔ Facebook ɛna yɛsan nso apere yɛn ho akɔ YouTube nti woduru YouTube a KWAYM na wodi TV no asɔsɔ na afei nneɛma ahodoɔ a ɛgu ne nyinaa no sports wɔ hɔ afei entertainment adademu ankasa efutusem ene nyankropon asem so ɛwɔ hɔ enkoda kiss na kyerɛ sɛ toys programs ne toys videos ne nyinaa no ebi wɔ hɔ a oba no nso betumi atena ho na wahyɛ.
I'm Christian Oswentwi, the Special Assistant to the Chief Executive Officer of Maslow Ghana, Insurance Constituency, Income Member of Parliament. Keep watching Kwayam TV.
Keep watching Kwayam Television.
Keep watching Kwayam Television.
Keep watching Kwayam TV.
Kwayam TV.
Kwayam Television.
No, and Kwayam Television. During the COVID time, everybody turns around to Kwayam. Ekope ahama, eba betiti, anwa dudu. Enti anwodini nyina no wo Kwayam. So everybody should keep watching Kwayam TV. That is where our strength and our energy will come from.
I am Pamidine Steve Amoa. Mina Mijana Winshare, so we CEO Maslok. In TV Pad and no one Kwayam Television.
And Kwayam Television and subscribe.